Welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through one of the quickest and most convenient ways to connect with friends on Telegram using QR codes. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to generate your unique QR code and share it so others can add you instantly. No need to type in usernames or search through contact lists. If you're ready to make connecting on Telegram faster and easier than ever, let's get started. The very first step is to display your QR code, the digital invite card that lets someone add you to their contacts in just a scan. Now, for this tutorial, I'm going to explain this from the perspective of the person who wants to be added, since you need to generate your code before someone else can scan it. So grab your phone and open the Telegram app. Don't worry, you don't need to download anything extra, it's all built right in. Once you're in, head straight to your settings. You'll usually find this down at the bottom or in the sidebar menu, depending on your device. Now, this is important. Tap on your profile picture or your username, which you'll see right at the top of the settings screen. This brings you to your profile details, and right here is where you'll find some awesome features to personalize your account. Look closely for a little QR code icon. Sometimes it's right next to your username, and on some devices it's tucked near the search icon in the top right corner. Give that icon a tap, and just like that, Telegram will generate a unique digital QR code that's directly linked to your profile. If you're wondering, what exactly does this do? Think of it like a shortcut business card. When someone scans this code, they can instantly access your profile and add you as a contact in a couple of taps. Now, Telegram also lets you customize your QR code's appearance. You can play around with different colors or backgrounds to make it feel more like you. Maybe you want it to stand out with a bright gradient or match your favorite color. Just tap through and choose the design you like. It's a small touch, but it can add a bit of personality, especially if you're sending it to friends or using it at an event. If you want to share your code digitally, look for the Share QR Code option. Tap that and Telegram gives you a menu to quickly send your code to someone via another messaging app, email, or even save it as an image. This is super handy if your friend isn't right next to you, or if you're connecting with people in an online community. You can just drop your QR code in the chat and everyone can add you without any hassle. One thing to double check before you try this, make sure you have a public username set in your Telegram settings. The QR code feature only works if your profile is public and you've picked a username. It's just like making sure your house has a street address before you give directions. If you haven't set a username yet, simply go to your profile, tap the username field and choose something unique. This extra step ensures your QR code actually works for new connections, and that's really all there is to it. In just a few taps, you'll have your own QR code ready to share, making it easier for people to find you on Telegram. If any part of the process didn't work, or if you have questions about customization, feel free to ask in the comments section. I'm happy to help out. If you found this guide useful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching and happy connecting on Telegram.